Yo, what's up guys? I do hope you're all having a great day. In today's video, we aren't doing anything with the motorcycle. Instead, we're going to be working on the F-150. I'm still having issues with the idle, which surprisingly in the past week I found a video online that seems to be the most likely issue, which is the idle air control valve. Most likely it has built up carbon in it that needs to be cleaned. When I was looking online for the majority of F-150s, it seemed to be way in the back, but for some reason it seems to be right up here on my 99 4.2 liter the V6 F-150. So I'm going to be removing it and cleaning it, and hopefully that fixes the issue. I don't have a spare the gasket, so I'm going to have to reuse the old one. Hopefully it's still intact. For this, we just need to remove these two bolts and unplug that. These bolts for mine are a 10 millimeter. Before the other ones I've seen online, it's usually an 8 millimeter. So I'm going to do this, and let's have a look and see what happens. Hopefully this fixes it. Then all I have to do is work on the brakes, the alignment, and the pickup truck is good to go. So I removed the part, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of the buildup on this. I should replace the gasket, but I don't have any on hand, so I'll do that another day. But for now, I'm just going to use some throttle body cleaner and clean this out, then try it up, then put it back in. This should most likely help fix the issue with the F-150 having really bad idle and dying at a red light. So I hope this works, and let's see what happens. Alright, so now I've been cleaning it out for about 15-ish minutes now. I've used the cleaner in it 2 or 3 times to clean it out. I also ended up using this little small brush to basically agitate it, and it looks much better now. I'm gonna have this sit here for a few minutes, then I'm gonna clean it out, let it dry up, and then put it back in the truck and turn the truck on and have a look if it made any difference. So I'll be right back. The look of it, from the sound of it, it seems like it is getting better. It is idling well again. The pickup truck is now a bit warmed up, and it's idling at about 800 900 RPMs. That's good enough for me. And only time will tell if this was actually the solution. This was actually the issue with the truck. So far it seems like this was the actual thing though that was wrong with the truck. So if you guys have this type of issue, do these type of the maintenances first, just to see if you don't have to. It's just so you don't have to go out and spend more money. A bottle of throttle body cleaner is like 15 bucks. Take a rag and just a wrench, take it out and clean it up, and you should be good to go. Thank you all for watching, and my next video, it will definitely be a moto vlog. I'll catch you all in the next one, guys. See ya.